I just love the colors because they're random and it's B. If you're new, welcome. Today I'll be showing you how I did this Coachella look. Is this not Coachella? This is hella Coachella. I hope you like this look as much as I do because I'm kind of pissed. It's 1 a.m. right now and I don't want to take it off. I want to run errands like this. Today I'm Boho Bushra, your neighborhood Sailor Scout. If I was a Sailor Scout, this would be my look. If you want to see the tutorial for this look, just keep watching. Okay, so we're going to start with the brows. And I'm just going to comb through them. I am using a discontinued product, but I'm going to use what I have. And there are plenty of eyeshadows of this color that you can get even in the drugstore. I know NYX Cosmetics has an eyeshadow exactly like this color and it's only $5. So I got you, girl. I have alternatives to everything. So I'm going to make the front of my eyebrows blue. But I'm going to start a little bit towards like the middle of my brows. That way I can make somewhat of a fade, just a little bit. And for the tails of the brows, it's just going to be a very dark brown or black. It looks black, but the color says dark brown. And now with ABH Clear Brow Gel, I'm just setting them into place. Now I'm going to move on to the eyes, and I'm priming my eyes with Urban Decay's Primer Potion. I do have a little line of eyeliner from earlier today, but it's like a really thin line and it's okay. I'm just going to go over it to darken it up and make it a little bit bolder later on. For the most part, I'm going to be using ABH's Prism Palette, and I love this palette. Not many people talk about it, but I love this palette. And I think the crazy backlash people had from the Subculture palette, they didn't want to buy the next ABH palette. So they missed out because this is a beautiful and unique palette. I just love the color selection because it's very unique. It's not a regular old nude palette like everyone keeps coming out with. So I'm going to use Lure with the brush it comes with and put it right above my crease. Then with the same brush, I'm going to take Saturn closer to the outer corner and just blending it out. And if you don't have this palette, you can always substitute for any palette that you have or similar colors. It doesn't matter. There's no need to buy every single palette that comes out into the market. Now I'm going to use Parallel, this nice brown chocolatey color right here. Now instead of the fluffy side, I'm just going to use the other side, the brush that it comes with. I'm going to do that on the bottom and the outer crease. And then blend it out with the fluffy side. Now I'm going to take Dimension and apply it right with my finger. It's a metallic purple. Then I'm just going to blend the edges out. Now I'm going to add some highlight on the inner corners. And this is an orangey highlight. Of course, you guessed it, from Anastasia, the Nicole Guerrero. I'm telling you, this is my favorite highlighting palette ever, and I'm just going to highlight with that on the inner corners. Now with the black gel liner, I'm just going to extend the wing of my eyeliner. I do already have some on, but I want it to be flicked out a little bit further. So for the most part, I just basically drew a line. That's it. I'm also going to bring in the liner on the inner corners, a little bit like a cat eye. Now to match my blue eyebrows, I'm going to put some liner on of the same color. And I'm putting this right on top of my black liner, but making it thicker. This liner is bringing me to life. This is called Vivid Sapphire, and it dries matte. and it is so bold and opaque. It's one of my favorite blue eyeliners in my life. I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply some falsies. I'm going to use some black eyeliner on the bottom. This is by Marc Jacobs. I'm not lining it too heavy, just a little bit, because I'm going to put black shadow right there. And it'll give the black shadow something to stick to. Now I'm going back to the Anastasia palette and using this jet black obsidian right here. Now I'm going to use some of Lure and blend that out underneath the black. I'm using that bright blue that I use in my brows, and I'm putting it right on top of the black. And now I'm going back to the ABH palette, and I'm using that purple that's on my lids and putting it underneath the blue, but not all the way through, just concentrating in the middle. And now with the fluffy brush, I'm taking that orange again and stretching it down. Add some mascara to your bottom lashes, and if you don't have any bottom lashes like me, add some false ones. And I'm going to reapply the inner corner highlighter, just fix up that corner real quick. Now for the fun part, I bought this kit off of Amazon, and it's the best kit. I'm telling you, it's the best kit because it's under $20. If you try to buy them separately, it costs so much more. It came with this face sticker right here for your brows and under your eyes, and 2 boob stickers. These are huge. I'm not going to be using them on my nipples. On top of that, it came with 8 glitters. 4 chunky, 4 fine. The glitters alone in other websites are over like $10 just for 1 container. And I got 8! That's awesome. I'm going to use NYX Glitter Glue and put a little bit on top of like a random little tray. While that's getting tacky, I'm going to pour some glitters out. This should better not topple over. I'm going to die. I'm going to take a flat brush and pat it on the glue. Just dab it right underneath my lashes. My fake ass lashes. Then I'm gonna take some blue toned glitter and pat it right on where I put the glue. This is the smaller glitter, and I'm just concentrating it right underneath the lashes. And it is so pretty. Oh my god. I'm gonna put a little bit more of the glue down here. Next layer. And I'm taking the pink colored glitter. I'm putting it not as heavy, just kind of sporadically. And now for the big glitter, and right on top of the blue that I put earlier. This glue dries clear, so you can layer it, it's no worries. And now I'm gonna work on one eye at a time. So I'm gonna use some big blue glitter. And a little bit of the pink. Now I'm gonna add the stickers. I'm not gonna use them the way they came out. I doctored it up a little and cut it up how I wanna put it, and this, I like cut out the heart and the weird stuff right there. No lie guys, this is like a Bengali bride on steroids. Bengali brides love really bright colors and glitter and rhinestones, and the traditional bride has designs above their eyebrows, like on their cheeks and on their chin. This really is a Bengali bride on steroids. I cut one of the teardrop shapes and I put some glitter glue on it, and I'm putting it right underneath here. Got 2 little teardrops. I'm trying to think, like, what piece do I want at the top? See? And I have so many pieces left. I could reuse these stickers so much. As if I need blush, we need to do some blush. I'm gonna use Modern Mandarin for the blush because it'll go with the shade that's like underneath the glitter. On top of that, I'm gonna use Songbird from Becca. It's also a nice, you know, like orangey shaded. It's a nice orangey blush. For the lips, I'm gonna line it with Colourpop's BFF3. Now I'm gonna use Colourpop's Frick and Frack. Alright you guys, this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment if you did. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I just love the colors because they're random and you know that NYX Cosmetics has an eyeshadow. Just ugh, this one's a little strong. Ooh, I think I ruined it. No. Damn you, Songbird. I gotta tone this shit down now. Okay, I went crazy with the blush. Boop, 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 boop.